I'm going to show you how to switch out the blades in the Bauer oscillating multi-tool. So when I first got this, I had no idea how to switch out the blades. So I'm going to show you. This is what you do. You lift this lever. I thought you stopped right there, but no. You have to bring it all the way up. This piece will come out and you can insert a new blade like so. So just make sure you insert your blade into the grooves. You insert the attaching screw and you press it in and then you clamp it back shut. And it should hold. Follow me for more tips.